All right, this is everything you need to know about crypto airdrops today. So let's start out with one of the Solana airdrop targets that everybody seems to be talking about, which is Sanctum. Now, Sanctum is basically a master liquid stake token for Solana that aggregates yield from a bunch of other LSTs. They have over $6 million of funding from a bunch of legit players within the Solana ecosystem, and they recently won Vote 2 of the LFG Launchpad. They won with a convincing 64% of all of the Jupiter tokens that voted for this as well. Now, in terms of what you need to do to qualify for a Sanctum airdrop, one of the simplest things that you can do is go to the Sanctum app and then stake some SOL or a couple of other LSTs that they have here for Infinity or INF tokens. And what this is, it's another liquid stake SOL token that aggregates yield from all of the other assets that are deposited with Sanctum. And you can also use Sanctum's trade application here to swap into a bunch of other LSTs that are partners of the platform. But aside from those basic steps, it looks like Sanctum is developing currently in closed beta an airdrop qualifier platform where you rank up based on the amount of LSTs that you have and the different things that you use them for within Solana DeFi. Now, recently there was a couple of good threads from cruisecontrol.sol about how to qualify, where he suggested LPing JupSol, which is the new liquid stake token from Jupiter, and also the INF token. However, apparently, and this is a screenshot from somebody that has access to that closed beta of the new Sanctum platform, but apparently in order to actually earn experience points and rank up for this new airdrop campaign, you might need to actually deposit INF and SOL into a liquidity pool, not INF and JupSol. Now, since this new Wonderland platform, which is what they're calling this airdrop campaign page, is in closed beta, it's possible that they'll update it and also include LPing of JupSol and INF tokens in order to qualify for this. But until that is confirmed, I have actually rotated my position into LPing Solana and the INF token on Meteora directly. So hopefully that makes sense for now. I just wanted to give you a quick update on how I am playing this until we get more information. And then when they actually launch their new airdrop campaign page with the Wonderland platform, I'll probably make an actual video tutorial walking you through how to do it. Okay, next up on the topic of Solana airdrops, on 4/20, you could have gone to claim your gummy airdrop. If you haven't claimed it yet, I'll leave a link to this down below. You can visit this link right here and claim the tokens. And remember, this is for people that accumulated points by visiting and keeping open the Banter Bubbles application. Now, season 2 or round 2 of their airdrop is currently underway, so the points counter has been reset on Banter Bubbles. And if you want to, you can go back and leave it open on your computer or whatever device you're using. And the more points that you earn by leaving this page open, the bigger the airdrop you'll get for round 2. Now, personally, I got a couple of dollars from this max. The airdrop has actually increased significantly in value, outperforming a lot of actual, I would say, legit tokens within the Solana ecosystem like Parcel, like Wormhole. So apparently Gummy was actually the make it play. Now, as far as I can tell, and some people in my Discord have been saying this as well, if you didn't participate in season 1, it doesn't look like you can actually paste your Solana wallet address to participate in season 2. It's possible that they will update that and allow new people to come in, but for now, it looks like you might have had to participate in round 1 of this airdrop in order to keep doing it. Okay, speaking of meme coin airdrops, this Toro coin within the Cosmos ecosystem was dropped into wallets of people that claimed it. Now, this is another meme coin within the Cosmos ecosystem, and let me tell you, it's not worth much. So I could swap my allocation right now for about $1. And honestly, I don't think I've seen a single Cosmos meme coin airdrop that has not been disappointing. So unless I have reason to believe otherwise, I might actually stop talking about them because this is just pointless. Okay, next up, the Lightlink airdrop is going to start tomorrow morning, April 23rd at 10 a.m. UTC. Now, this is not going to be a very big airdrop. Only 0.58% of the total supply is going in phase 1. And of that, only 0.1% is actually being unlocked immediately, the rest of which is being vested in NFTs. And for Lightlink, if you want to check to see whether or not you're actually going to be eligible, there's already a page where you can go and check. In order to get airdrop 1 from the Galaxy campaigns, you had to be in the top 6,719 addresses. So with this wallet here, I did not get nearly enough Galaxy loyalty points in order to make the cut. So I don't know about this. We'll see what happens tomorrow. Not super bullish on this, but I'll bring you an update when the actual claim is live. All right, another update for you from Mitosis. They left this hint here. Well, not so much a hint, but explicitly said that on April 25th at 3 p.m. UTC something is going to happen. I can tell you though, it's not going to be the actual airdrop. All they're doing on April 25th is launching mainnet and then a new set of galaxy quests and campaigns and tasks to be completed. So don't get too excited about this one yet. Speaking of galaxy quests and campaigns, Chroma has extended their campaign for another 1 week. So if you wanted to complete any of these tasks, earn those ore NFTs, which are going to be used for future campaigns and their new crafting universe, you can still complete these quests for another week or so. Not that many people have done a lot of them, myself included, but that is potentially a good reason to actually try and do a few. All right, next up, if you are still trying to farm season 2 of the EtherFi airdrop, you can now actually natively mint wrapped ETH on Blast and Mode, which is pretty bullish because previously you could only actually get it directly on the mainnet, and then if you wanted to get it to L2s, you had to bridge it. Well, now you can actually mint it natively, which allows you to potentially loop up and use leverage in order to increase your exposure to EtherFi, to Eigenlayer, and then also to the L2s that you're farming. So I did something similar on the Mode L2 using Renzo's Easy ETH. Now, theoretically, it would be possible to actually do that same strategy using wrapped ETH from EtherFi. So then it just boils down to which liquid restakes token provider are you more bullish on? All right, next up, if you are farming the Stakeland airdrop campaign to get the Runecoin airdrop, there's new tasks to complete, and also you have to connect a Bitcoin wallet. This happened a couple of days ago, but I haven't made a video, so I wanted to just remind you of this. Moving on, if you want to complete the Gull Network's testnet, there is a 1 week period from today, April 22nd, until the 29th of April, where you can complete some of the tasks outlined in this article here. However, I would say that the rewards for it aren't huge. There's $10,000 that are going to be distributed, $5,000 worth of Manta, and $5,000 worth of Go, and it's only for randomly selected participants. 500 people are randomly going to be chosen. So I would say this isn't a super high priority testnet to complete because your chances of winning aren't super high, and the amount that you get is not going to be that much either. Next up, speaking of free airdrops, if you were farming the Param airdrop, you can now go and connect a wallet. So when you log into the page, you can click up here and you'll notice there's a button to connect a wallet. So I would say if you farmed this one and you want to actually get your airdrop, go and do that. Finally, if you are looking for a Zora NFT to mint for this week, World Chain, which is a massive new blockchain project founded by the same guy that founded OpenAI, has an actual NFT on Zora right now. Now you can mint this NFT on Ethereum mainnet and a bunch of L2s, and it actually looks like it's cheapest on ETH mainnet. So for example, if I try to mint it on Base, it's going to charge me about $10 or $9.95, and that's all the actual fee for the NFT. There's very little gas fees on Base. If I try to mint it on Arbitrum, same deal. But if I try to mint it on ETH mainnet, it's actually significantly cheaper. It's only $2.50 for the NFT, then plus the gas fees as well. But since gas fees for Ethereum right now are so low, especially if you wait till nighttime when it goes down now to like 5 or 6 Gwei, then it's actually significantly cheaper to mint this on ETH mainnet, surprisingly. So if you're looking for an NFT to mint, it's always good to get one from projects that might actually use it as some sort of loyalty boost for an airdrop campaign. And WorldCoin, of course, is a massive project. So bit speculative, but totally up to you if you want to get one of these. I personally minted one on ETH mainnet. Anyways, that is it for today's alpha. Hopefully you found this useful as always. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.